Hey friends, ready for some cool coding fun? Let's make some animation with our very own Boombox display. Step 1. Zoom over to Menu L217. If you're not sure how to get there, a handy menu navigation video will show you the way. If you see a message scrolling by and can't wait to start, just press the joystick to the left to jump right in. Step 2. Press the joystick like a button to kick off the Boombox beat. Here is your very own Boombox display. Step 3. When you want to stop, just nudge the joystick to the left, and you're done. Curious about how it works? We've got the Python code that makes the Boombox groove. You can tinker with the code on your laptop through our simulator, or chat with our AI Coding Companion for a cool explanation. Find all the links you need for the simulator and our AI buddy on our website at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's code and have a blast. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.